Hello everyone, today I'll create cutout text effect with or without clipping mask. So without any delay, let's start. Create your document and import your image. Now write the text and make it bold to get visible cutout text effect. Now set your text to that part of the image that you want to cut out. Now press and hold Command Ctrl and select your text layer. It will simply create selections of your text. Now select your image and press Command Ctrl and J to make its duplicate. And hide your actual image and text layer. But there's another way too, which is just direct clipping mask. For this, put your image upon your text layer and right click and just select create clipping mask. There you go. Thank you for watching.